Hi everyone and welcome to Thursday. This is lesson number 4 and today we will actually be making a special craft that has to do with Subitising. So we're going to use all of our new knowledge and all of our new skills and we're going to put it together to make something. Okay, before we do that, we're going to do our maths warm-up and you will need a whiteboard and a marker, or you can use a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, let's take a look. Today we are going to look at our addition, and what you'll need to do is you need to work out, one, what is the problem telling us? So we need to create a number sentence, and then we need to find the total by combining all the ladybugs together. So I'll give you some time to do that, and you can pause the video and then come back and we will solve it together. Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look. Now, first of all, I'm just going to focus on this leaf here. And I need to work out how many ladybugs are there. And I can see that there's quite a few. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross them off as I count them so I can keep track of what I've counted so far. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 15 there. So that's going to be at the beginning of my number sentence. 15 plus, and then what's on my next leaf? How many ladybugs are there? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 15 plus 5. And what does that equal? Now, you can use a strategy of counting all of the ladybugs together, or let's try and put 15 in our heads and we'll count on. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. The total is 20. 15 plus 5 equals 20. Okay, well done. Okay, let's look at our next one. Again, pause the video, create your number sentence and find the total, and then come back and we will solve it together. Okay, let's have a look. Now remember, the first thing we need to do is count how many ladybugs are on this leaf. So what are we starting with? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we are starting with 13. 13 plus something. Okay, so let's work out how many ladybugs are on this leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 13 plus 6. Now let's use the counting on strategy. We'll put 13 in our heads, put it in there, and let's count on. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. 13 plus 6 equals 19. Okay, well done everyone. Let's look at another one. Now this one's a little bit different. It says 4 plus 8 equals something. Okay, can you draw me a picture to show me how to solve this problem? Pause the video and then come back and we'll solve it together. Okay, so as you can see, we already have 4 B's there, and now we're adding another 8. So let's count on from 4. Put 4 in your head and then you can watch my butterflies come. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, our answer is 12. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Fantastic. Okay, let's look at another one. 5 plus 6 equals something. Okay, so pause the video, go and solve the problem, and then come back and we'll work it out together. So we're starting with 5. Let's take a look. Okay, so we already have 5 B's there and we're adding on another 6. So can you count on with me while we add them? So put 5 in your head. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. Fantastic. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Well done, everyone. Okay, so let's look at our learning intention and success criteria for today. Our learning intention is that we are learning to Subitize, and I know that you've all been doing such a great job all week. Our success criteria, what we're doing is we're putting everything we've learned all together today to create a beautiful craft. So our success criteria is I can instantly identify a collection of objects because that's what Subitizing means. I can order a collection of objects from smallest to largest, and I can match a collection of objects to its number. Okay, so come and take a look at what we're making. Now, today we are going to get creative. Can you guess what we might be making? We'll give you a clue. It has 8 tentacles and lives in water. What do you think that is? What has 8 arms? It's an octopus. Okay, take a look at what we're doing. Okay, so step 1, you will need 2 pieces of paper, just like I have here. Step 2, on one of the pieces of paper, draw the head or body of your octopus. Now, as you can see, I have done it here, and this is how you create it. You do half a circle, and then we're going to do many half circles underneath, just like that. And make sure it takes up a lot of the piece of paper. We want it really big. Step 3, cut the other piece of paper into 8 strips. This will represent the 8 tentacles. So here you can see that I have 8 strips. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's good to double check. Step 4, write the numbers 1 to 8 on the strips of paper. So here you can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 5, draw your collection of objects. You may like to draw dots or squares, stars or love hearts, anything that you like. Remember to draw the correct amount so that it matches your number. You can use any arrangements that you like. So here you can see that I've decided to use dots today, and I've got 1 there, 2, 3, and here with my 4, I've actually put it into 2 groups of 2. So I've got 2 there and another 2 there. And then I have 5, and the way I've arranged that, I have 3 here, and then I have 2 here. Then I've got 6, and I decided to put it in 2 groups of 3. So I've got my first group of 3, and then I have my second group of 3. For 7, I decided to do a group of 3 there, a group of 3 there, and then 1 more, because I know that 6 and 1 is 7. And then lastly, I have 8, and I've got a group of 4 and another group of 4, because 4 and 4 is 8. Okay, so for step 6, you need to draw a face on your octopus, and then you need to colour it. And I chose to colour mine pink. And he's all nice and happy here with big eyes. Step 7, cut out your octopus. So this will take a bit of time, nice and carefully. It will also, a bit of fine motor, it will strengthen your hands. Glue or tape your strips of paper onto the back of your octopus. Now remember to start from the right so that when you turn it over, it is in the order from smallest to largest. So just like I have here, you can see I've turned it over and then I've started over here on the right hand side. Okay, step 8. Turn it over and give your octopus a name. And then hold on to your octopus to bring to our next Zoom because we would love to see what you have created. And I have decided to call mine Squirmy. It says introducing, drum roll, Squirmy. Okay, so now you can take a look at myself making the activity. I put one of my favorite songs on it today. I hope you enjoyed it, boys and girls, and that you did have a dance with me. I hope I wasn't dancing all on my own. Okay, so now to finish it off, let's just go over our learning intention, which was we were learning to subitize, and our success criteria was I can instantly identify a collection of objects. So remember, we were doing that when we had finished our craft and we had all of our objects on there. I can order a collection of objects from smallest to largest. So we did that with our tentacles. We had 1 all the way up to 8. And then I can match a collection of objects to its number. And we did that because we wrote the numbers 1 to 8 and then we drew our objects on there to match. So well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our craft and I cannot wait to see them. Okay, bye.